Yes, I'm Roman, and today I have an exciting video for you. Let's see if we will like K-pop music. Based on ChatGPT, 2 of BTS' best songs are Spring Day and Dynamite. The vocals are okay. I think there was maybe some rapping in it, and it's okay. It's upbeat, not my type of music. I wouldn't necessarily go and listen to this, but I am not saying it's bad. The music video, it's interesting. I don't understand what they're saying, and I suppose that plays a role in my evaluation of the song, because music for me is very important, and if I'm unable to understand, then in most situations I will not like the song. So let's listen to their second hit, which is Dynamite. Personally, I don't like this song either. The lyrics are important to me in a song, and with this one, they just sound like random words. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. I'm not criticizing the group, because this is even something that out of popular singers do today. The second thing for me is that I just see these boys dancing. It reminds me of those high school movies, teen movies like High School Musical or something. What came to me whilst watching the video is, oh, this group is for girls maybe. Now let's try Monsta X. So one of Monsta X's top songs is Shootout. First of all, I prefer this group than BTS. The song was interesting and it gave me a cool vibe. Excuse me, I'm walking like zombie. I also appreciate the fact that there was a duality or bilinguality in the song, where there was English and then there's Korean. I find that amazing. That for me is really cool. The dance moves here were better, far better than the group before. But again, I don't like the music videos. I wouldn't listen to these guys, but hearing this song I could say, oh, that's a vibe, that's not bad. Shootout and Love Killer sound similar, around the same themes, so for the third song I will go with Hero. Or maybe Beautiful. Let's try Beautiful. I want to hear what they sound like when it's a low-toned music. The tone was not soft at all. It was just like before, rapping. Again, it's not my style of song. The music video is just about their dancing, and for me, what makes a great music video is when there's a story that's being told based on this song. But maybe because I don't understand the lyrics for this, I am being biased. I don't think I listen to all the groups my friend sent. I'll stop at Blackpink. She said Blackpink or Mamamoo. I'll go with Blackpink and let that be my last group. Whilst listening to this, I said to myself, oh, I like their voice. The language sounds beautiful. And then within that moment, I laughed because I'm saying, am I not being biased? Because it's the same style. A video that, in my opinion, doesn't really seem to reflect the song. But then again, I don't understand, so I could be lacking there. But then I said to myself, this is just a group of cute girls who are singing, showing off their dance moves. And how is that different from the group with the boys? So I realized that I was being biased. So the song caught my attention. What you gonna do when I come through with that? But if I had to be objective with both groups, I would say that the song doesn't seem like it offers me anything. It's just cute girls singing and focus on their dancing. It's really a dancing video, to be honest. I will listen to Boombayah because it's similar to a Jamaican word I know. Ain't a bad girl, I know I am, and I'm so hot. I do like the vibe. I do like their voices, but I admit that I am being very biased, extremely biased.
Click, clack, bada bing, bada boom. When it back, coming on the night, bada boom.
So on an objective note, I will say that this is also not my type of song. I might hear it once and be like, okay, but that's it. It's not my type of music.
Boom,
Personally, I prefer the girl group, but I think these types of songs or singers or music groups are for young, thirsty, hungry people. Anyways, my final impression is that current music seems to be interesting. The language, of course, is intriguing. I like different languages, and so that intrigues me, especially when there's a bilingual aspect where you mix both languages in a song. I think that's super cool. But K-pop, based on what I've heard, is not for me. Surely I could listen to other songs. Maybe singers are not so popular, and I would perhaps find them more pleasant. It's possible. Anyways, that's it for today. If you guys love K-pop music, let me know your favorite singers and songs, and I will try and listen to them. With that said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.